Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about Lexus RX350h AWD 2023. We will tell you about the interior, exterior, performance, top speed. Is it worth to buy Lexus RX350h AWD 2023? Before going to detail, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to press bell icon for latest updates. Let's jump into the video without wasting your time. Lexus RX350h AWD 2023 is the latest model car. Lexus was named the best overall luxury brand. Lexus vehicles are dependable, comfortable, and drive smoother than others in the market. It is a 7-seater SUV car. It is an automatic car and comes with all-wheel drive type. It is made by Lexus Motors in Japan. Key features: digital latch with safe exit assist, standard all-wheel drive, 36 miles per gallon combined. Engine type, 3.5-liter V6 gas engine. Engine power, 290 horsepower at 6,300 revolutions per minute. Torque, 263 pounds-to-foot at 4,700 revolutions per minute. Fuel type, gasoline. Drive type, all-wheel drive. Gearbox, 8-speed. Available in following colors. It will be available in caviar, cloudburst gray, eminent white pearl, iridium, matador red mica, nightfall mica, and nori green pearl. Performance: top speed, 130 miles per hour. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.9 seconds. Mileage in city, 18 mpg. Mileage on highway, 25 mpg. Fuel capacity, 19.2 gallons. Here we are discussing the features of Lexus RX350h AWD 2023. It has anti-lock braking system, touchscreen, audio system remote control, leather seats, speakers front and back, Bluetooth connectivity. Expected price. Price in United States. Lexus RX350h AWD 2023 price is $50,150 in United States of America. Price in Finland. Lexus RX350h AWD 2023 price is Euro 50,150 in Finland. On this channel you can find the best and most updated price of Lexus RX350h AWD 2023 with detailed specifications and features. Thank you so much for watching the complete video.